Welcome to the Top Gun channel, where you're about to enter the danger zone of all food, drink, and other assorted reviews. And today I'm going to be trying out the cheesy bacon crispy chicken sandwich. And I was able to get it in the spicy version. You could either get the regular or the spicy, and I asked them if I could get the spicy, and they were like, yeah, we can do that. So I went ahead and got that. The meal ran about $8.49. That's with the large drink and large fries. Luckily I was able to bring the drink with me. I ended up eating the fries when I was at the place, so I didn't want to have it, have all that be sitting in the bag the whole time. So this is what the crispy chicken looks like. I was waiting for a new crispy chicken sandwich to come out, and I was really glad they came up with this one. So this is what it looks like. It's not exactly stacked like they normally would have it in the picture, but this is what it this is what you get. It's supposed to have like a melted cheddar, bacon, and chicken. Really is pretty much all it is. So let's give this a shot and see if Burger King came up with another great idea. Luckily I got some napkins here, which is good. I always carry some napkins with me. See if I can get the chicken this time, because the first bite I got was just the sauce, the cheese sauce, and the bacon. The outside of it, of the chicken, is fairly good. Other than the inside of it's a little dry because of the fact that I was waiting, because like I said, I was having the fries at the location. So unfortunately it caused the chicken to dry out a little bit, but it wasn't on their fault. That was actually on mine because I waited a little longer. But I would have to say I'm gonna have to give it a rating of about average. I don't know. It's gonna be tough because I mean I like different chicken sandwiches, but I'm gonna give it about an average full throttle. Like I said, if I would have ate it right at the time that I got it, I probably would have given it a higher rating. So it has nothing to do with what they did or anything. They're actually one of the best places that I go to. They always have something different every time I show up. So yeah, I might give it about an average full throttle. I would probably end up buying it again, but this time I think I would only just get the sandwich because it's like $6 for just a sandwich. If you go any higher than that, it's because of the meal that you get. So but definitely check it out. I would recommend it just to try out. And also wanted to wanted to give a shout out to Mega Canaga, Joey's World Tour, and Drew's Food Reviews are the three people I wanted to give a shout out to. I believe all three of them did the same review. So check out their videos, and make sure to let them know that I sent them over to you, or sent you over to them. And yeah, that's about it for this review. So thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and support. And until next time, everyone, let's fuel the jets so we can kick the tires and light the fires, because I feel the need for speed. Hashtag love thy neighbor.